So you see how it's going to be with your feet?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh God, there are adults on it now.
Oh yeah.
Ew, not none of the guys can go on.
Those are pretty well balanced here.
It's contaminated with adult junk.
Whoa.
Fish, wanna go on the feet? Go on the feet.
Nothing to see here, people. Please disperse. Yeah, there's not going to be any kind of calamity here.
I'm hit with a brown stripe in his pants.
All right, I think this might be enough.
Hold on a second.
Me and Fish are going on, right?
We're going to need some help now. There's 2 ropes there.
Mr. Fisher. Watch those legs, Rob. When you you really got to pull them up.
15 pounds. Big difference.
Oh God, here we go.
Watch your legs.
Yeah, I see
Watch
that,
the legs on your way down.
It'll be really quick right now.
I know.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, this is fun.
Part that Oh, it keeps getting hung up on the
Yeah.
You gotta move that one over to the left.
Or should we go while we're ahead?
Yeah, I'm good. That was enough of a sample.
Okay, let's get him off first.
Right here, let's stop. Whoa. Move that one over to...
This has to be there.
Yeah. Sam!
That was it?
Yep. Now it's fun. Now the fun is back.
Now
Who's up
it's
there?
extra safe.
No, that's right, Amy. I helped him on this thing.
What was your FOS contribution to Macon? Multiplied by?
I was feeling a bit unsafe. I thought I'd go all over the head and say, I've done it. Rob, we'll show this to Barbara Snyder at Case. Let her know what you do on weekends.
One more.
That's my titty.
I think I'm good.
This thing is awesome.
Now what?
Hold on.